Japanese mates. Okay, so we're going to Greenbelt to have lunch or brunch. So I haven't eaten yet. It's already 12:30. Right behind us. Let's race this 86. Are you ready to race? That looks fast. Oh, we lost. Look at the sky. It's a sunny day. Cloudy and sunny day. Cloudy and sunny day. Oh, we're winning, we're winning. Bye. Stop, look, and listen. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Oh, PNR tree. So I bought this. Hey, I bought this in the traffic light. Good deal. How much is it? 170. Better than buying in Green Hills. So I'm gonna test it if it's good enough, strong enough. What happened? Manam sa bukid. Just kidding. So many people. Like that. So that is another concept. Yeah. Another concept for our front yard ending renovation. We're gonna have an open bar. Let me take a picture. There. Cool. There's no more Kula. Where's the Kula? Since we're the fifth in line, we're gonna go around the mall and wait for our turn. National Bookstore?
You buy me this for my birthday. So it's
Kobo?
only 5,000.
For reading?
Yeah.
You have your iPad.
Yeah, but I want this one also. And it's smaller.
Okay, give me
It's only
the
5,000.
reason why you have to buy this.
Because sometimes I just want to read, and the paper is like, it's not bright. It's just like reading paper. Then I don't know. See, like for example, yeah, and it doesn't hurt my eyes. Like now, my iPad hurts my eyes.
It's cool. I'm looking for Velcro. Something that I could put in the mic. Put some fur on it so that it won't pick up too much wind. Let me see.
Real tea? Okay, sorry. Okay.
Ah, this one. Fastening tape. I think it has adhesive. How much is it? 27 pesos. Oops. What other colors? Black and white. Okay, I'll just get the blue one. Do you remember this?
Yeah, I want that.
I want to have like this. That's what I use in my locker in Saudi.
Hindi, kasi good ka. Hindi mo na lang ng LED.
I was using this locker, master lock for my locker. So Manam called and our table is ready, so we're going back to Manam. We're gonna have lunch. And this is what I thought. What did you buy? Velcro. Strawberry kamya. What does this taste like?
Lemongrass, kamya.
It's good. How's it? Okay, the food is here. The meat. Or the. What's this? Shrimp?
Ano yan?
Shrimp?
Chili ginger.
Chili ginger shrimp. And sinigang na what's that? Watermelon. This will be my birthday vlog. No reaction?
Ano yun? Ito na daw yung vlog. Kasi wala
okay. Thank you. How about dessert? Do you still have dessert?
But what's my gift? Ayoko na pala?
Get merienda na lang yung ice ko na lang.
Yung kahapon nila daw boy shawarma.
Don't have to pay. Magkano yung boy shawarma ka? Sino nagbayad ng boy shawarma? Yun na lang babayaran ko. Hindi na. Ito na lang. Ito na lang video.
Sa kanya.
Ano ko dun ah.
Dapat dito yung taas.
Hindi na naman. Babaw na lang ako ng delata. Makabili nga sa Landmark. Ay, yung ano, hindi pala delata, yung Tetra Pak.
Ulam.
Sweet corn syrup.
Ang delata. Hindi ko kaya isa.
Ganun ginagawa yung mga AGPs namin. Tapos may slot sila eh. Pag wala silang content,
Okay.
pinaparenta.
Ay, minus na ano.
Pero libre yan. Pero pinaparenta.
Ayan kasi. Jollibee din. Ay, tapos na Jollibee.
Long receipt.
Ano kaya maganda
So,
pa
ma.
running?
What do you want? Papa will buy for you. You want anything?
Ano kung maganda lang yan? Maganda pa.
Kayo bahala kung anong gusto niyong style.
Ha. Pag talon mo, ay nakabig lang yun.
Mas mataas yung talan niyo dyan.
Yan, ko lang kung nagtagal.
Sakit po ba ito?
Ha?
At mani. Feather.
How do you say the feather?
So, what do you think about your... What do you think about the shoe?
It's too expensive.
Too expensive? Is there a knife here? Let's check. The shoe was $6,995.
It's B402 4
9.
9.
B02
Ay, ganun na sa
B40249. You have to just make sure that you will be using it on a daily basis.
Yes, I should. I'll change my lifestyle. Should exercise again, go back to...
And also, Papa.
Yeah, he has to. He needs it for his heart. But Papa is so tamad to move. Always feeling sleepy.
What to do?
What to do? You can do.
Exercise.
If you want, you can do it.
Okay, here. Thank you.
Here, you see here.
That's my shoe. And another colorway. It's cool too. Dapat pala we buy some brown. Because if you
Saan yun?
accumulate 10,000 pesos, you can have like you can apply for a card. Now, when you use that card, you have 20%, 15% discount.
Yung mga na
Ano
kayo
ito?
ng kopya? Tayong kopya ng size.
Di ba? Eh, wala naman komedya.
Find anything nice? Yeah. What do you want? What do you want?
Maybe Nike is good. Even the prices. Yeah, Adidas. Not so expensive.
But nice designs, right?
Designs are good.
Yeah. You're going to buy a bag? Is that for the hospital?
Huh?
So this is your purchase. It's nice. So it's time to go home. Mama, Ate, and Papa is going back to Batangas. Well, me and Kuya going home to the condo. Bye-bye.
Bye.
We'll see you next week.
Bye, Eric.
Bye.
Bye!
Drive safe. Okay, it's time to end the vlog. Thanks for joining us this weekend. Just dropping by Robinson's Supermarket for our week-long baon. 4 chicken breasts. 4 chicken breasts. The best part of the chicken. I'll see you next week. Bye.
Tanda mo ba na, Kevin, nagreklamo ka nun? Ate, so kuripon. I want to buy my cookies. She doesn't like it.